Welcome back. In this video, I'll be going over the mean and the median, how you calculate them, and why they can be useful. So I think the best way to do this is just by taking an example. So let's say I have a data set which has 5 values, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 5. So in order to calculate the mean, what you're going to do is take the sum of all the values and then divide it by the number of values. So in this case, you would do 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 all over 5 values, which is 12 over 5, which is 2.4. On the other hand, for median, you just eliminate numbers on each side until you get to the middle value. So in this case, the middle value is 2. So the mean for this data set is 2.4, and the median for this data set is 2. Now, both of these sort of terms are ways to represent the middle point of your data set, and they have their own advantages and disadvantages. So the mean, in my opinion, does an overall better job of representing the average in the data set. That's why it's also known as the average. But one thing is that, especially in small data sets, it can be significantly affected by big outliers. So let's say for whatever reason, there's 100 in this data set as well. This mean value would spike up dramatically, and it would not be representative of the center of the data set anymore. On the other hand, with the median, the 100 would just get canceled out since it is that far out, and you would get a more accurate middle point. So these are but then on the other hand, with the median, when you have a really, really large data set, which has somewhat of a correlation, it may not do the best job of giving an accurate middle point. So this is how you calculate the mean and the median and how they can be used. And in the next videos, you'll be learning how to implement them programmatically.